How much longer are they planning on making us wait? What's the point of an appointment if it doesn't start on time? I could have slept in. Here she is again, Prime Minister Duresa Aftemi. What's even up with this girl? Croatian Prime Minister Duresa Aftemi gives a statement to the public referring the electricity crisis.
Though I know this isn't the most convenient circumstances that our economic state is facing, but I promise you that these guidelines are going to help us stay up on our feet and minimize our cost of living.
The guidelines she is referring to are in the governmental article number 3004, category B, which has a collection of guidances on how to reduce the use of electricity. In this article, we have directions such as keeping the temperature 18 Celsius in the school. Are they trying to freeze these kids? Why is most of this newspaper politics? War in Ukraine, Greece arguing with North Macedonia, Biden, more Biden, Trump, woman stuck in a tree, inflation. Woman stuck in a tree? Yesterday afternoon, a Czech tourist found herself taking a walk and enjoying the beautiful nature of the seaside town Vrsaru. Accidentally falls in a ditch and gets stuck in a tree. The 24-year-old woman says that the experience has left her traumatized. Oh God, what am I even reading? I'm losing brain cells from this. They actually put this in a newspaper? Is there anything worth reading here? Okay, this seems good. After speculations from domestic violence, Dana Novak has been spotted with a black eye.
Please tell us something about your wife.
For you is that we need our privacy, and me and my wife are happy, so thank you.
Please tell us about your wife.
After 3 years of marriage and 2 years of dating, the celebrity couple seems to be running from one scandal to another. Seems like this love story is coming to an end. Seriously? Again? It's like the Johnny Depp situation all over. What even happened with that? I hope he won. Ooh, I should watch Pirates of the Caribbean. He's such a good actor. Are we seriously still waiting? They haven't even let another person in. I'm so bored. Ooh, Zodiac. Taurus, Virgo, Aquarius, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. You should begin learning how to be more patient.